Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this very cute onesie. Okay, and to begin with this project is I will be working step by step with you. Okay, to start with is we will be making this bra cap, okay, with all the edging and as well as the cord, okay. And then after we made that, we'll go to the body and to the bottom. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for this project you need a yarn. For mine is, I think I used 3 balls of yarn, and I'm using 8 ply 100% acrylic 100 grams, so I think I used 3 of these. Okay, and I will be using a 4mm hook and of course a scissors. Okay, so to begin, we are going to make a slip knot. Okay, insert your hook. So what we're going to do now is we will be doing this. So you have to measure your bust, okay, from the bottom until to the tip. Okay, okay, so for mine I'm small medium. I will be chaining 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and then you have to hold this end and you have to chain 1. Okay, so 12 and add 1, so it will be 13. And then from here we will be inserting our hook into the second chain from the hook. Okay, and we will do a single crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert your hook to the next stitch. Not yarn over, single crochet, so we don't have to yarn over. Insert your hook to the next stitch, yarn over, and then pull through, and then pull through 2. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook. So we will be just doing this until we get to the end of our stitch. If you're new to my channel, guys, I'm just starting my YouTube. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Okay, so now we have finished. Okay, and then to this top we have 1 single crochet, and I will be adding 2 more. Okay, so that's 1 2 and 3. Okay, and then going to the other side. Okay, so single crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet, and we're just going to single crochet until to the end of this row. And last one. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 2 and then turn our work, and then we have to make a double crochet into the first chain, double crochet in every single stitch until we get to the top. Double crochet, okay, so that's the end. So now we're going into our 3 single crochet and the top. So that's 1. So this one is the middle, so we're going to insert our hook and we'll be putting 3. Oh, wait, sorry guys, we're making a double crochet in here, and this is the middle one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll be putting 3 single crochet, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then next stitch double crochet to the next, and double crochet in every single stitch until we finish the row. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and the last one. Okay, from here we have to chain 2 and turn our work, and then we have to double crochet again to the first chain, first stitch, and then double crochet going up, and you just have to work on your size. And figure it out how many rows do you need to make. Okay. And I will be showing you one side, and then you can make the other side the same thing. It's just a copy of what we are doing here. So we're into the middle to the 3 stitches. Okay, so that's one. So here we have to make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 2, 3, and then to the next stitch, double crochet into each and every stitch until you finish the row. Okay, we're getting to the end of the row. Okay, my last stitch, my last chain, and we're chaining 2 and then turn our work. Okay, we're forming. This will be our back, our inside, and this will be the outside. Okay, so it's the same thing, just single crochet, double crochet, sorry, double crochet going up and into the top, into the 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. In the second in the middle we have to make 3 double crochet. Okay, and after this, guys, I'll let you finish your rows. You can pause the video, and I'll pause my video and I'll finish my rows, and I'll come back when I do the edging. Okay, so we're into the 3 chain at the moment, so this is the first one. So we're into the middle one. We are going to put 3 double crochet. Okay, and then just continue the next stitch, double crochet until to the end of this row. Okay, so we're getting closer to the end of this row. Okay, so what are we going to do here is just chain 2 and then turn our work, and then we will be doing double crochet in each stitch until we get to the top. Okay, so as you can see, this is our foundation chain, and then to the top we put 3 single crochet, and then we continue into the other side, and then when we got here we chain 2, count as double crochet, and then we turn our work, and then we did a double crochet in every stitch until we get to the top. So the where we had our 3 single crochet, the second one, the middle, we make 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then we put 2 double crochet in each single stitch until to the end of the row, and then chain 2, and then double crochet up and into the second chain. On the top we make 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet until we finish the row, and then chain 2, turn our work, double crochet in each stitch, and then until to the top we make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So we have that pattern. Okay, so we have that, and then we finish. So every time chain 2, turn your work, and then put double crochet until to the top, and then in the middle of 3 double crochet in the same stitch you have to make 3 double crochet in there. Okay, so don't forget guys. Okay, so I will pause my video, and I will come back when I finish my row. I think I will be putting 2 or 3 rows. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.